What's up YouTube? I'm back again. In today's video, you're gonna see something different. I'm gonna show you one perfect warm tea which is nice for winters also, and also as a result you can lose 1 kilo in just do this. You don't trust me? Okay, try it out for yourself. Now let's move into the kitchen and see the procedure how I make it. For this step we are gonna need 1 apple, cinnamon powder, there is a cinnamon stick, some honey, 1 lemon and green tea. Before doing anything else, we are gonna wash the apple because you see the white spots over here on the apple. This is wax coating. We need to remove this completely because these manufacturers, they use a lot of wax coating to prevent from this insect. These are transported from very long places to prevent all those to last long. They are doing for that purpose. First, let's wash this apple. Now we are gonna slice down the apple into pieces. Once we do this, we can move to the next step. First, we heat up the water for a while. We'll heat up the water for about 2 minutes. After waiting for 2 minutes, let's put the apple that was sliced from before. Be careful when you drop, it may splash on your hands. And the 2 cinnamon sticks which we use, we are gonna put here. This is what it looks like. Once the apple slices are soft like this, now we can turn off the heat. Now we are gonna separate the liquid part and the solid portion using a strainer like this. Cut apple you can use as a snack again. This is how the residue looks like. Once we separate the apple cinnamon mixed liquid, we are gonna drop 2 bags of green tea over here like this, and we are also gonna add some lemon. Half a lemon we are gonna add. We're gonna just squeeze it like this. Once we are done with this, we are just gonna cover it for 5 to 10 minutes. I don't have a small plate, that is why I'll cover with this bigger plate. While we are waiting for that for 5 to 10 minutes, I'm gonna explain something a little bit quick. The reason why we use apple in this fat loss drink is because, as you all know, it helps our body's immunity. As a result, it increases your body's metabolism, which is what you want exactly if your goal is fat loss. And the polyphenols in apple lower down your cholesterol. Also, apple has natural sugar, which is what you want if you have diabetic problem. Natural sugar kind of regulates your body's blood sugar level. So it is very safe for diabetic patients. And come on, apple is the best fruit you can get. There is a saying also, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Remember that. In the video, I have shown you cinnamon sticks. Instead, you can use cinnamon powders also. And the reason why we use cinnamon powder or cinnamon sticks is because it helps you lose your visceral fat. Visceral fat is that type of fat which is stored under your abdominals. And there are 2 fats. One is visceral fat and subcutaneous fat. What are subcutaneous fat? Subcutaneous fat is that type of fat which is available under your skin directly, and visceral fat is that fat which is available under your abdomen. Know that difference. And moreover, cinnamon detoxify your system, your whole body system, and it also fights inflammation. Inflammation is something which you get red swollen or something when you get injured by something, when you get hit by something. Yes. The reason why we use this green tea is because it is very high in antioxidant, which acts as a weight loss agent. Also increases your excess breakdown of your fat. What does lemon do? Come on, ask Kanish, why you are stopping? Because it helps regulate the pH level in your body. And the so-called pectin fiber present in lemon, it helps you fight the hunger cravings. The feeling of hunger, the feeling of cravings, you won't feel anymore because of the pectin fiber. Okay, now let's proceed to that. Now it is done. 7 minutes. I kept it like this. So this is what it looks like. Now we will separate in a glass cup. See how does it look? How beautiful it looks. See this beautiful color. Once we separate this, we're gonna add some good quality honey. This is what I use, some dabur honey. Give it a good mix. And here are the apple slices which we used before. We are gonna take out the cinnamon pieces. You can use it afterwards. You can use it for another use. What are we gonna do with these apple pieces? We are gonna enjoy this as snacks along with that tea over there. See this beauty over here. Now we are done making this weight loss tea. Now I'm gonna enjoy it. That honey and that lemon flavor and that little bit of cinnamon, everything is perfect. And that apple is right here, see? It's actually awesome. You should give it a try. It's just more than amazing. You will love the taste. Just trust me for once. Just try this combo. It is the best. And as I have mentioned earlier, when it comes to weight loss, when it comes to fat loss, you need to track your macros, you need to track your calories. You have to follow your healthy diet, you have to do some kind of exercise, some kind of activities in order to help this out. So I'm hoping you will find this helpful. That's it basically for today. If you like this video, make sure you give a thumbs up, comment down below what you want to know next, and also share this video if you find it helpful. See you next time. Bye guys.